what I did, I made that girl, okay, fourth standard girl. I can remember fourth standard girl to sing a poem which is written by William Shakespeare. Okay, shall I sing that poem? What the girl sang? Shall I? Okay, fine. Thank you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey la 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 la. Hey la 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 le. Hey la 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 le. La 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 la. Hey, under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me? Antonio Marino, unto the sweet words that come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, hey na 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 na, hey na 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 ne, na 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 ne, na 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 na. Hey, okay, thank you. That's the one. Clear. She sang really well. Okay, fourth standard girl. Okay, as I was not taking fourth standard. Okay, some teachers they suggested her name, and I was very happy. With her performance. Okay, with a series of performance, and towards the end also I changed some other thing. I made all together, under the tree, some, animals playing, I played some music, and really, I still, it's a pleasant experience that I had. Okay, fine. Okay, I sang well. Okay, thank you, Niranjana. Okay, and Aditya, fine. Whoever said, of course, I like that song. Okay, I like to sing, and whenever I feel that, a poem with a proper rhyme scheme, if I can sing with some tune, I'll try to sing. Okay, in the coming classes, if I can sing any other poems, I'll do it. Okay, fine. Um, you know, Actually, I used to narrate stories occasionally. Okay, shall I narrate a story? Because we completed that poem, and I checked with the other class. They are still with the selfish giant. Okay, and we completed last bargain itself. Okay, so we have to go parallelly. Clear? That's what I have been informed, and still we have 5 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Do you want me to narrate a story? Shall I? Okay, there was a speaker. There was a speaker. Okay, speaker means a person who was speaking in the conference. Okay, in the auditorium, the speaker was addressing to the audience. Okay, so in his speech, in between, what he did, he took one 1,000 rupee note. Okay, now we don't have 1,000 rupee note. It happened earlier. Okay, years back. Okay, maybe 5 years back. This happened. Okay, now we take as a 2,000 rupee note. Okay, you showed to all the people, those who were in the auditorium, asked him, okay, can you see the rupee note? Can you see the rupee note? Everybody said, yeah, we can see. And how much it is? So yes, and they said, they all shouted, it is a 2,000 rupees. They shouted, it is a 2,000 rupees. Okay, and then the speaker asked, okay, now tell me whether it has a value now, whether it has a value. And of course, they said, yeah, it has a value, because okay, the highest currency value we have in India, it's 2,000 only, it has value. Okay, then what the speaker did, he took the 2,000 rupee note, he folded the note into four. He folded the 2,000 rupee note into four and showed it to the audience. Okay, then asked, now I folded the note into 4, then tell me whether it has a value. Okay, because it was folded into 4. And audience said, however you folded the note, it is still as a value, it still has the value. Clear? Tanya Pal, I'll tell you, ma. Wait, yeah, it's a real story. It happened in one of the conferences, but not in India. But I already told you I'll change a few things. Fine, but it has happened really. Okay, and then what the speaker did. Okay, showing the folded note, 2000 rupee note to the audience in front of them. He crushed the note. He crushed the note. Okay, seeing him crushing the 2000 rupee note, you can hear that hissing sound from the audience. Okay, they are all shocked. Hey, what are you doing? Clear. He crushed the note and then he showed the note to the audience. Just tell me whether it has a value. Whether it has a value. Okay, they all said. However, you folded and crushed okay, the 2000 rupee note. It has a value. Okay, and for audience surprise, what the speaker did next, he threw the crushed 2000 rupee note down and he started stamping with his boot. You all know that what is the meaning of stamping. Okay, and just stamping it very hard, and actually for crushing itself, you heard the hissing sound. Now as he's stamping the 2000 rupee note without knowing the value of money, and everybody started murmuring. Everybody started murmuring, and he took the note. Okay, and which become dirty, okay, which start looking good, folded, crushed, and stamped now. And he showed it to the audience now. Okay, when I folded, you said it has value. When I crushed, you said it has value. Now I stamped it, it become dirty. You tell me, whether it has a value. Okay, and again they all shouted, don't do anything again. It is still, it has still value. Okay, you folded and you crushed and you stamped, and it has value still. Clear? And he said, yeah, that is life. That is a life. So then he started, and he's not going to do anything, he's not going to tear next. He said, see, in your life, you may be folded facing folded in the sense, you may be facing a lot of obstacles in your life. Okay, and or into the certain extent, you will be crushed. You will be crushed by people. See, you will be crushed by people. You may be dominated by others. You may be dominated by others. Okay, or like how they used to say, life is a race, a run. When those who are running back of us may push us down, and they will, we may be ran over by them. Clear? So that time we will be stamped by many. Okay, we will be pushed down. Clear? Like there is a story about frog, how a frog pushes another frog who is trying to go out. Okay, you all know that story, I think. So like we may come across such a people. Okay, if you want to go up, there will be somebody who may pull you down and who will stamp you. Clear? And don't forget, like that 2000 rupee note, it's just a paper. The paper, however it is folded, however it is crushed, however it is stamped, it is not going to lose its value. Okay, see, we are all human beings, superior to all the beings in the world, superior to all the beings in the world. Then think, okay, when we come across such problems, okay, whenever we are facing a lot of problems, obstacles, and whenever we are crushed by others, whenever we are stamped by others, okay, don't forget, you are not going to lose your value. Okay, you are not going to lose your value. We may have individual difference between ourselves. Okay, all are not same, but however we are different, we all have our unique talent. Okay, with that unique skill only we are all created. We are equally endowed, despite many disabilities or any many problems. We are equally created by God, giving some skills. See, Mariappan Tangavelu, he didn't think that he was paralyzed. He lost his leg. Still, he won, gold medal in Rio Olympics for India. So we all wondering those who have very good hands and legs, and we were wondering about them whether at least they will bring gold medals to India, but they didn't. It's the man who lost his leg brought gold medal to India. Okay, see, however you are born with the difficulties or in between, you may be, physically impaired or physically challenged, whatever problem it is. But don't forget that you are given a specific skill. If you identify that and if you work hard, okay, in that, definitely you can achieve anything in your life. Okay, that's the moral of this story. I hope you may successful persons had faced a lot of failure. Yeah, of course, ma. I'll tell you. I'll tell you about two more people when we discuss supplementary reader. Next, we'll discuss supplementary reader. Treasure within. Okay, that time I'll tell you about those two successful people, and that is also inspiring. Clear. Especially it's about a school, and if it is about the school, I'll ask